Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 4th, 2025, which was just yesterday. The striking idea is a new benchmark that tests counterintuitive ability, showing whether models can override training habits and actually follow adversarial instructions. The paper is titled, Inverse IFEval, Can LLMs Unlearn Stubborn Training Conventions to Follow Real Instructions? And the implications for model training are quite significant. The work spans 8 inverted instruction types, a 1012 sample bilingual dataset, and an optimized judge setup that reaches 98% judging accuracy. Figure 1 contrasts standard instruction following with counterintuitive cases, showing that models drop in compliance once rules contradict their training habits. The left panel illustrates how a no bullet points rule still yields lists, which signals cognitive inertia, meaning the model sticks to learned formats despite explicit bans. The scatter plot compares accuracies, and the bar chart compares rankings, so both visuals highlight sizable gaps on the inverted tasks. So Table 1 positions this benchmark among popular evaluations, showing it targets instruction following under counterintuitive constraints rather than domain knowledge or coding alone. The table contrasts scope, languages, data sources, and scoring methods, which matters because judging style can favor or penalize unconventional compliance. Inverse IFEval lists 1012 bilingual items and uses an LLM as a judge. Other rows focus on audio, multiple choice, code, or general open-ended Q&A. Alright, Figure 2 maps the full pipeline that turns inverted ideas into a vetted benchmark, which matters because a clear process guards against noisy or biased items. Observation and reversal means spotting standard fine-tuning habits and flipping them into adversarial instructions. Experts craft seed items, then large language models expand them with multi-domain coverage. An automatic filter screens length and similarity, and human verification calibrates scoring rubrics so instruction metadata stays consistent. So Table 3 compares many large language models across English and Chinese, showing who actually follows counterintuitive instructions under pressure. The headline is that O3 high leads, while instruction-tuned non-thinking models lag, which signals strong cognitive inertia. Thinking modes score higher because deliberate reasoning helps suppress training habits. Performance also varies by instruction type, with question correction and counterconventional formatting dragging averages more than counterfactual answering. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. First, cognitive inertia is real, and models often ignore counterintuitive instructions unless they engage deliberate reasoning. Second, test time strategies like best of n can recover large gains, which implies capability exists but default policies suppress it. The broader implication is alignment must reward adaptability, not just fluency. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.